Alright, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be fixing the front bumper in the passenger side quarter panel alignment. Alright, first order of business to fix this front bumper, I'm going to have to take it off. Alright, so now with the hood up, I'm seeing that there's a couple screws I got to take off. Holding the bumper to the frame, there's one here, all these across the front. There's a connector here that I had to Alrighty, I think I have all the screws off of the bumper and all the harnesses disconnected. So let's see if I can take off the bumper now. So it should just be as simple as this side. Alright, right off. Alrighty, there we go. Alright, this is the front bumper taken off. This is the inside. I'm not really noticing anything on this end that would cause the front bumper to be misaligned. There's a bracket over here. It's supposed to be over there that is broken off. Alright, now I think to fix the front bumper, this is what the front bumper rests on. And these 5 screws here in front actually allow me to pull it up and down. And there's also one over here on the right side, which I tried doing before, but it didn't work. But anyway. I can move this whole piece up and down. So I'm going to loosen these screw up, pull it all up, and then tighten it down. Alright everybody, I ran to Walmart. I got some plastic bonder and some Loctite glue. So I'm going to now go around the rest of the car and fix all the parts that were, like all the little screw holes that were broken, all that, the mounts on this front bumper. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt today's video, but if you're liking this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Shows me that you guys are enjoying it and keeps me motivated to keep on going. Anyway, back to the video. These front grills are popping out, which is fine actually. We want to make them black. So you just come and you're pulling from one side and then pushing from this side on all those little hinges, maybe. Pop! And it pops right on out. There we go. So before we put the bumper back on, I'm going to install the grills that I had now painted. So alright, so down here we have the radiator diverter. Just diverts your air into your radiator so it gets enough cold air. But this is broken on all the support beams and there's missing 2 screws off there. So off the side, up top holding its actual bumper. So I'm going to pop that off real quick. That's right. Got that off. you can see, just destroyed everywhere. Then you're just gonna put it where you want it to go. For me, I'm just gonna use this strut. So put it there, line it up. Probably shouldn't touch it that much, but. And then I'm gonna spread the excess along to make sure, on both sides, to make sure it fits. And then, yep, that's how I'm just gonna do it for all of it. All right, last thing to do before we start installing the bumper is to put this diffuser back on. To install the bumper. So first thing, kind of line everything up, set it on. So first action I'm going to do is I'm going to screw in, I don't know what that's for. I'm going to screw in these 5 bolts first. All right, now that that's on, I'm going to line the rest of this stuff up. All right, everybody. I got the bumper all the way back on. Now, the front lip is now a lot better. It's a little, not perfect, a little off. That's fine, little things. The sides, as you can tell, are severely off. So I think it has something to do with those brackets on either side. All right, so I made a mistake. First off, I did not need to remove, so I put the top right back screw in. I took all those off and then realized, hey, this is wrong. So actually what I've done so far is there's one screw down here. I actually think it should be another screw down here, but there's not. That's part of the reason why it's misaligned. The other part is the fact that this just got hit. So if I really want to fix it, I should take it all apart. Line it up the best I can with my hands. Now that that's in place, I'm going to lock bottom screw down while holding it where I want it to be. So now, top needs aligned a little bit, which I can just push it in to how far ever I want it to. All right, so now we push this in, crank it down till it's about set. All right, now that I got what I think is it realigned, you can see, to me it looks better, but I'll have to do it before and after to see if I'm actually just delusional right now and I don't remember how it looked the first time. But I did lose one screw, so now we don't have a screw here, but that's fine, it's in the middle. It doesn't really move anyway. So that is how I fixed my passenger side quarter panel. Installed the new driver's side wheel liner. I bought a replacement online. This is the way it gets installed, but first I need to remove all the old screws off the front frame and quarter panel. Go in and try to install all this stuff. Fortunately, I'm out of time to keep working on this and I need to get a video out. So this is the bumper for now. I think it looks a lot better than what it was before. The front grille is blacked out, which I think looks absolutely a million times better. Anyway, guys, that's everything that I worked on today. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. Share with your friends if you feel like it. I'm posting weekly videos Monday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to catch more DIY videos, more like house stuff, building, not car related stuff, go follow my TikTok. But anyway, thank you guys once again so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.